I'm Aubrey, and this is Sailing Miss Lone Star. Over 10 years, I've been right here on YouTube, bringing you along as I face my fears and follow big dreams to see the world and show my children and viewers alike what it looks like to be brave. From my tiny pink boat, I dreamed of a big, beautiful ship that could take us on an adventure around the world. Strong, steady, through all types of seas. And finally, I did it. My big kids are almost grown now, and we've experienced the beauty of nature and the power of the wind from many corners of the globe. Now I have a beautiful new baby on board, and this next adventure is taking us to the Panama Canal with an all-female crew. This story is unfolding in ways I could have never imagined, so stick around and find out just what this coast is going to teach us.
It feels like it's been forever!
For those of you that don't already know, I have documented every day, every step, every decision on The Daily Show since 2018 to now.
I don't know, this became part of my identity.
Find out how to access The Daily Show at sailingmisslonestar.com. When founded fear and past experience unfold into a beautiful passage, the sunrise is that much sweeter. 2 years ago, I plowed into the Tehuantepec Bay, 8 months pregnant with no plan. And what I found was 50-knot winds and angry seas, and an even deeper sense of respect for the ocean. Today, this passage ends in the furthest place I've ever traveled south in Mexico, Chiapas, known for its protected marina, yet high crime inner city. I mentally gear up to dock Houdini, which is a full keel with no bow thrusters, coming in at 31 tons. Reverse barely slows her down.
It's a shame we can't use that port, Captain. That way? Where's the green? Okay.
So confusing back here.
Yeah. Well, and also, is it normal that we don't have another marker?
I was happy to not have any fanfare. We slipped into the dock with ease.
Coming to you from Chiapas, I cannot believe that I'm actually here. It's crazy. It just, it feels surreal. Last time I was here, I was pregnant with Violet, and this is the farthest south I've been in Mexico. So everywhere beyond this point is new. So that's exciting. We're gonna go provision. I'm looking for shoes. Somewhere in here, maybe. And yeah, see what there is to see here. Pretty excited. Oh my gosh, this deck needs to be cleaned, something fierce.
That's it.
Can you bring me some cocos? Wow, you're so strong.
Yes.
Wow.
Find a taco spot.
Gotta wait on the other side.
We venture into the city to grab a relaxing meal cooked by someone other than us, and to do some much needed provisioning.
So many Oreos, Rice Krispies. different flavors.
Oh. Look very official over there.
Absolutely. Food is my business. Yes, it's all for you.
No,
Yeah.
you gotta share those ones.
Oh my gosh. The big provision before we head to Panama. Look at us in our fruit hammock. Ooh. I'm editing, so I haven't really been filming. But look at my cute little desk area got going on. It's in my room. This was actually gonna be Violet's bed, and I had cut it out for this corner down here, and it was gonna fill in here, but she sleeps with me. And we've got Jordan, still from last night, working on this. How are you feeling? What are your hopes, dreams, and aspirations for the day?
Feeling good. I've got lots of voice soon. I just got sidetracked on a cleaning project, so that.
Happens to the best of us. Who is that man outside? Is this your man friend? This is her man friend. And all sorts of...
He's not happy, you guys.
Why is he not happy?
Because it wasn't an easy, it's not an easy gig he's got going on right there.
I know. I'm awares. And what are you ladies doing? Tita likes cheese. Almost done with the next YouTube edit, which is great. It's been good editing the videos again because I like being part of it. This is also new. It's fun, makes me feel very sailor-y. But it's very time consuming. So between boat projects and filming and editing and momming, it's a lot, but it's been fun. I used to love editing so much. I love creating something, like the color grading, the voiceovers, the music. If I could do like 1 a month or 2 a month on my own and then have somebody else help me, that would be perfect. We have crossed a few things off here, like provisioning and bilge fuckery. Yeah, it's a good little addition there. And Shane did the brow, and it looks amazing. You guys can see that underneath there. It's all new. Looks pretty slick. So this is very much an estuary, and I was asking the main maintenance person if there's crocodiles here, and he was like, no, there's no crocodiles. I killed the big male and then the female left. I'm like, okay, good. So there are crocodiles. I recently killed one, and then I found out through Savannah that they ate it. They turned it into mole, crocodile mole. This is where they kill them, right here. So we don't let little Violet walk on the dock. What are you ladies doing? Oh, kids books is the magnificent Chiapas marina pool. And Jordan said it looks like something people should exercise horses in. It's very deep and square and small, but we're enjoying it. It's cold, which is weird because it's super hot here. Maybe there's some girl cabinet makers.
There are. I know one, but she uses a...
Instant gratification painting goes from looking okay to looking amazing.
Very true. It's going to be so much nicer.
Why don't you tell our darling viewers here what exactly this goes to? This is the headliner to the galley, so where we sit in our seats at the table in the salon, above our heads where we've been getting our hair caught in the old wood goodness, you see it blinking its eyes, my baby? Did you have fun playing in the sprinkler? Yes, you did. Did you have fun? Like a little, what do you call it? Pikachu.
Yeah. Sorry, buddy.
Oh! Oh, she's happy now. My big girl. Are you fishing? Is this your first fish?
Violet.
Violet.
Grab the line.
Violet, can you fish? What have you got?
Violet, grab this.
Look,
Violet, what's this?
pull
Grab
this.
Hold this. You feel that?
Pull it.
Feel
Hold
it.
it. Hold it.
There you go. You feel that fish?
There it is.
Pull it up.
Look, baby, pull it. Pull this line. There you go. Pull it. Good. Look. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at you. Wow. Look. Oh. Oh. Wow. Uh-oh. We got a live one, baby girl. Woo. Feel like you're... You can't see the fog coming off of the water. That's pretty.
Jordan's boyfriend has come to visit, so naturally we put him on our least favorite tasks, the head.
Okay, is it leaking water everywhere? Great. Where are we? What are we doing?
We are shopping for water filters. I'm looking for a 20 micron. I can't find the microns on here though.
Okay, what did we do today?
We tippity-topped all of the provisioning stuff and went and did all the bureaucracy of checking out of this country, which took almost all day. Uh-oh. Violet, are you checking out of the country? Say bye-bye, Mexico. Okay, we're checking out. We're headed to the next place. You ready? You're ready for a nap, huh? Yeah. It's been super easy so far, so good. 620 pesos. Super tired, and I'm gonna edit a YouTube video. Woo!
Come see us next week as we make our way through even more remote anchorages and face big challenges that sailing a classic boat brings. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you to my patrons for helping support this channel for such a long time. You're honestly the founders. If you can't wait until next week, go check out The Daily Show at sailingthislonestar.com.